When we left our RV this morning in Leeds, it was about 100 degrees. Cedar City, it was about 93. We're just now heading up the canyon outside of Cedar City towards Bryce Canyon, Highway 14. We're going to go from about 5,000 feet to just under 10,000 feet. It's a nice drive, and it's going to be a lot cooler on top. Notice as we climb to the top of this hill that the types of trees we're seeing changes. The scenery's totally changing. The color of the mountains, of the dirt, is changing. More about that coming up in just a minute. Speeding up the video just a bit here. As you look off to the right hand side, I'm going to actually turn the camera to drive up the hill. You'll look down on that valley there. This is the Dixie National Forest. The valley, it erodes with wind and with water about 3/4 of an inch over the course of the average person's lifespan. So this valley is actually 3/4 of an inch deeper than it was when I was born. I thought I noticed something different. As you make the turn off of Highway 89 towards Bryce Canyon, one of the first things you go through these two tunnels. I actually accidentally erased the video going to Bryce Canyon. So what I did was when we went back, I just reversed the video and showed it fast. Please excuse it's a little bit blurry, but you can see what the canyons look like. I was going to just tell you that we were passing everybody, but I figured, you'll never believe it anyway. At this intersection, you go straight to go to Tropic, Utah, or you turn right to go to Ruby's Inn and Bryce Canyon. Here we are at Ruby's Inn. I'm going to actually go in and register, walk down the hallway, scope out the pool, and then we're going to get right on the shuttle and head for Bryce Canyon to do some coin finding, and some sightseeing. Ruby's Inn, a very rustic place to stay, and I got to tell you, they have a super store. In fact, our town of Leeds doesn't have as nice a store as they have here at Ruby's Inn. Here we are going down the stairs to get to the pool. I want the kids to see what it looks like. I want them to have, a little bit of hope after we're done seeing the things at Bryce Canyon and doing our coin collection. We're going to come back here and go swimming. I want them to be excited. Here we are riding the shuttle to Bryce Canyon. Now, you can't take your car, but let me tell you, the shuttles are fast, they're comfortable, they're air-conditioned, they're free, and it's so much easier than taking your car. And they drop you off and pick you up. They come along like every 5 minutes. Here we are standing on our social distancing spots, and I brought my dowsing stick. Since we couldn't bring a metal detector to the national park, we're going to dowse for treasure. Look at this beautiful vista. One of the things about Bryce Canyon is everywhere you go, these beautiful vistas with hoodoos, the rocks, the colors, the trees. It is just absolutely beautiful, and I could spend an hour just showing you different panoramas. Did you notice Ian getting out of the picture real quick? We're going to do a pan real fast, and then you'll see him on the other end of the pan, and he'll try to disappear again. Okay, it says here you can use a dowsing rod to locate objects that you have lost, such as jewelry, by holding the rods properly in your hands. Then you have to relax, close your eyes, visualize the object that you're looking for in your mind. Then you take a few deep breaths to calm down and relax. Focus your mind on what you're looking for with the divining rod, with the thing. And then let the divining rod lead you to the object. And the rod may actually speak to you and tell you where the item is, and then we'll find the object. So let's try it out. Ready? Close your eyes, put it out in front of you. You have to close your eyes. Think about what you want to find. Let the rod lead you. Found it? Right there? Okay, let me see. Right here, right there. I think I found it. A penny! You found a penny, look! Okay, close your eyes. Visualize what you want to find. And let the rod guide you. nickel noise.
Beep.
I think she found a nickel. Let's see. Right, it's right here on top. It's right here on top. There it is. She found us a nickel. Let me show you. Awesome job. Awesome job. Okay, now find something. Man, I never really believed it. This really works. You found something? Let me check. Oh wow, look at that right there. It's right there. Right there, right on the top. A quarter. We found a quarter. Awesome. Work for you, okay? Keep them about 3 to 4 feet apart. Lots of lifting, guys, okay? Here we go. Found something. What is it? What is it? You keep that. You see? Wow. Check that out right there. It's right there. Oh, it's a pull tab. We found a pull tab. Man, he's good at this. Beep. He found something. He found something. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, there it is. Right there. Check it out. Right there. Oh, it's a washer. He found a washer. Oh man. Beep, beep, beep,
You
beep,
pine cones.
beep, 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 beep.
Got it.
All right, what is it?
Beep, Carter.
All right. Oh, he broke our dowsing rod. We're gonna have to go back to the motel and go swimming. While waiting for the shuttle here, we decided we'd break out the chips and bottles of water. One of the things that's true is while you're waiting for the shuttles, they come pretty quick, so you don't have a whole lot of time to eat between the shuttles.
Why are you famous?
She did the gold dance. She's famous from doing the gold dance.
There are 8 people there, probably. No, there are 7 people there. With me swimming.
Yeah, when you go down, I'll go down. When you go up, I'll go up. Okay, Emma. Don't swim under me. Swim under. Okay.
Can I
Yeah.
video me?
Yeah. It's recording right now.
Did you notice something?
going. I feel me going by me underneath.
Can you sit underwater so I can
Okay,
do what?
swim underwater again.
And get under you and you won't even feel it.
Okay, wait.
I need to do that again. I did it
Okay, it's still filming. Hopefully I can get a good picture of you doing that.
Ready?
Yeah.